Hi, my name is Phương and Mina. Vietnamese Noodle Soup is our family business, and we're proud to offer the South Calgary illicit Vietnamese cuisine. We have this place for over 7 years. We decided to take over Mina when my brother worked for the private owner, and he loved to cook. He have a chance to jump in to run the business. We wanted to work together in a family, and we still do so over these years. Like many other business, the COVID hit us really hard. It slowed our business right down, and after we do all the renovation for the dining room, changing to take out and deliver, increasing the food cost, increasing the delivery fee, it's have been all really challenging, and we have to work extra hard because we cannot afford to hire an extra member. Yet Kramer Mazda and the local legend have really helping us a lot, like giving us extra money to do all the advertising, helping us with our website, helping us with the daily special, and involve a lot of more about like advertising. And we have seen the increase in our business because they help. So thank you so much, Kramer Mazda and the Mazda local legend.